To add Venmo to Squarespace, you will need to connect your Venmo account to your Squarespace website. This will allow you to accept payments through Venmo on your website. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to the Payments section. In the Payments section, click on the Connect button next to Venmo. You will be redirected to the Venmo website where you will need to log in to your Venmo account. Once you have logged in, you will be asked to authorize Squarespace to connect to your Venmo account. Click on the Authorize button to allow the connection. You will then be redirected back to your Squarespace website. Your Venmo account is now connected to your Squarespace website. To test the connection, create a new payment button on your website. Select Venmo as the payment method and enter the amount you want to charge. Click on the Pay button to test the payment process. If the payment is successful, you have successfully connected your Venmo account to your Squarespace website. You can now use Venmo to accept payments on your website. It is a good idea to test the payment process regularly to ensure that it is working correctly. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Venmo account to your Squarespace website and start accepting payments through Venmo. This can help to increase sales and improve the overall user experience on your website.